Dialog is a decorative product belonging to the Le Etniche family, which is part of the Antiche Terre Fiorentine range. With Dialog, anyone can engage in the art of decorating a wall as an expression of his or her creativity. Eco-friendly and washable, Dialog is characterized by the use of two bases that are applied in succession, and each of which is made from water-based resins and special natural materials designed to create delicate light refraction effects. The two bases used are either Etnica and coloured Arabesque as a function of the chosen colour, or Etnica and Etnica, base either colourless or coloured with a toner, as described in the catalogue. The combined use of Etnica and Etnica, or Etnica and Arabesque, makes it possible to obtain sophisticated decorative effects and special hues where the chromatic fusion of the two colours creates a suggestive bi-colour effect and a remarkable sense of depth. Etnica and Arabesque are proposed in 1 1/4 litre and 2.5 litre cans. For optimal results, apply the white or coloured ATF base with a flat brush, a roller, or by spraying with the aid of a suitable compressor. It is advisable to apply the base as two coats, one diluted with 20 to 25% water and the other with 15 to 20% water. Before proceeding with the application of the decorative product, make sure that the white or coloured ATF base previously applied to the wall is perfectly dry. If you have selected a shade requiring the addition of a colouring toner to the Etnica or the Arabesque product, pour the chosen toner into the finishing product can and mix thoroughly with a spatula or a mechanical mixer until the tint appears perfectly homogeneous. In this manner, with or without the addition of colorants, you have prepared two finishing products for the final application. Begin by applying the predominant colour, colour A, with the ATF brush over an area of 1 to 2 square meters. Cover fully the entire surface with colour A. After a couple of minutes, apply colour B to the same area, wet on wet, with a few scattered brush strokes. On the decorative products freshly applied in this manner and still wet, pass the Candice trowel over the surface to amalgamate the colours and obtain the desired decorative effect. With the same quantities of material and according to the same application modalities, decorate an adjacent 1 to 2 square meter area and go on until you have covered the entire area to be decorated. The final consumption of colour A will be greater than the final consumption of colour B. It is highly recommended to start and carry on the application process without changing the relative amounts, i.e. the quantities used up, of colour A and colour B. This procedure and the ratio between the two colours must be maintained through to the end of the decoration process. The colours shown in the catalogue were obtained by Candice according to the following ratio: half a 1 1/4 litre can of colour B, non-predominant colour, to 1 2.5 litre can of colour A. For further information or details on this decorative solution, request the Antiche Terre Fiorentine brochures from a Candice authorised retailer.